Hello, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video. So, former generation actor, former Sangoma, and now Christian pastor Othabiso Mokgethi is receiving quite a lot of heat and backlash on TikTok, you guys, following the previous week's FNB national prayer, which was held, of course, at the FNB stadium, you guys. Of course, funded by the Motsepe Foundation together with the Church of the Zion Christian Church. You guys, so Uthabiso Mokgethi was one of the speaker at the event, you guys, and he posted, of course, pictures of himself with a lot of people, influential gospel artists, and other people from walks of life and from all different churches, guys. Here's the thing: we do know that the FNB national prayer is mostly dominated by those uniform wearing churches, you guys, of course, being the ZCC, the IPC, Apostle, Abu Shembe, Lord, you guys. And we do know, of course, according to Abazalwani, they they deem those churches as, that they do not have, like, the Holy Spirit. They're not led by God. It is basically what they were saying. So Tabiso Tabiso Mokgethi was there, and him being there, he received a lot of backlash, and people were saying that he is all over the place and that he should pick where he stands, because basically him being there shows that he was probably just there to secure the back. So people were quite surprised that Uthabiso Mokgethi was there, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and read a few of the comments which I saw of people shocked to see him there, as Uthabiso was, of course, posting, and people were saying that Uthabiso is just there to secure the back, and others were saying that Uthabiso, he exposed himself. He exposed, according to other people, were saying that he exposed himself by proving that he could be a fake man of God. So, guys, let me just read the comments. And yeah, Tabi, so when you are confused, somebody said it is not about the biggest church. The question is which God that they are worshipping. William Musaja said, I am disappointed. Tabi, so when now you are confused, somebody said this is painful to watch. Hunger can make you lose yourself. Same thing that happened when Ayanzan Danzi from the Spirit of Praise was booked at Chambers Church and kneeled down while worshipping and claimed that he is worshiping God. Somebody said ZCC is the biggest church in Africa. Tembazwani said, Manje wena ufunane lapho ka Barnabas. Somebody said, Watla Wambora, the way I was defending you. Someone said it can be big, but is God big in this place? Is the same God we worship recognized in this church? Anyways, enjoy, guys. And then there was somebody that I saw defending him. He said it. He said, I love it for him. Everyone will give a true account to God, each to their own. We all have Bibles. How you interpret it, sections you ignore, you will reply to God only on the day. What do you guys think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, like this video. Do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video, and may the good Lord bless you all. Bye.